It's a bombshell survey that at least one car maker wanted to keep secret, and the reason is obvious. After crash testing 9 of Australia's top-selling cars, the results left a lot to be desired.
You see crash tests in car ads, but those are just the ones that car makers want you to see. Are Australian cars really more dangerous? And even if they are, do people care enough to pay for extra safety features like airbags?
For the past 4 weeks, the investigators has been involved in a car safety test of head-on collisions. In the past 24 hours, the controversial tests have resulted in another head-on collision between the car manufacturers on the one hand and on the other, state road traffic authorities and the investigators.
This is just the beginning, developing information for consumers that they have every right to know.